Hello friends, welcome to Ledtvrepair. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Ledtvrepair. In today's video, we are going to repair this 43-inch LG Full HD Smart TV. The complaint in this TV is backlight okay, but no display. As we discussed in our previous videos, this type of issue is commonly caused by internal shorting in the gate signals inside the glass panel. This shorting can occur either on the left side or the right side of the panel. If the shorting is present on only one side, we can attempt a temporary repair method. However, keep in mind that the permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we cannot guarantee how long the TV will work after this fix. It completely depends on the panel condition. Now, let's begin the diagnosis. This TV comes with an LG Full HD panel, and here you can see the T-con board. These are the gate signal tracks coming from both the left and right sides of the panel. First, we will test the right side. We will block the gate signal tracks using a taping method by masking the signals entering the panel through the FFC cable. So now, we are blocking approximately 15 gate signal tracks on the right side. Alright, the right side gate signals are now blocked. Let's power on the TV and check the display. As you can see, even after blocking the right side, the picture is still not generated. Next, we move to the left side. Now, we will block the gate signal tracks on the left side using the same taping method. Now the left side gate signals are blocked. Let's turn on the TV and check the result. And here you can see, the picture is now successfully displayed, and the TV is working back to normal. This confirms that the fault was caused by shorting on the left side gate signals. But once again, remember, this is only a temporary solution. The permanent fix is panel replacement, and the lifespan after this repair cannot be predicted. It purely depends on the condition of the panel. So that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, subscribe.